Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reset a Microsoft Edge browser on Windows PC. I show you guys how to do it. Open up Edge, click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side you just need to scroll down and select reset settings. On right side select restore settings to their default values and select reset. After getting done, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type percentage app data percentage again. Click on open the file folder. Now you just need to select the app data and go to local. In here you need to scroll down and find Microsoft, and you just need to double click on the edge folder, user data. In here you need to click on any folder over here and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A to select all, and now right click on it and select delete it guys. If any files are not be deleted, click on this check mark and select skip. After getting done, just close stuff here. And that's how you reset a Microsoft Edge browser on Windows PC. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.